Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok following too fast error. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application and from the right bottom click on your profile icon, and from the right top click on this three dot icon. Once you will click on it, now you have to scroll up and search for the report a problem. Tap on it. Now you have to search for the follow like comment. Tap on it, and here you have to click on the follow, and from here you will see a follow too fast. Tap on it, and here you have to click on the yes. Now go back and click on the other, and after that click on the no and click on the still have problem. Now you have to write your problem here, like I always showing the too many following error like this, help me to fix this issue. And also you can upload your screenshot here of your error and click on the report. Once you will do it, your problem will resolve. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.